It's alright, my people, so yeah, just have to go on a brief tour, you know. Yeah, so as you can see, we grow up, clean up. So we basically have this bedroom if you do. That are the area where we have left. We have three like a area, a bedroom, and we have out here, so we have the three area if you do. So this are the kitchen area. Yeah, this is a bedroom and bathroom. Yeah. So, as I can see, we grown up, baseboard out and everything. So this is the passage. Yeah, this is our next bedroom and bathroom. Yeah. So, as I said, we grown up. Get the place clean up. So, the next thing is we tackle them a couple of years out of the bedroom, the kitchen. Yeah. So, we come here. Yeah, so we have them three tiles for put in at the door here. Yeah. So, there's a tile out, grown up. This is the next bathroom, but the plumber have a lot of work. All of them pipe have to sink. Well, that are the toilet pipe, I know that have a sink too. All of the pipe them high, so yeah, plumber have a hand full. Yeah, forget all of them there out of the way. So this now. This is a powder room. Alright, and I have the same thing with the pipe. Pipe have to go sink again. Yeah. So, as you can see, we basically tile out everything. Yeah, we have in here somehow. Drop some tile in here. We have in here stuff to do. Yeah. But the main here are them complete. That are the good thing. So, a baseboard. So as you can see, the same tile. Big baseboard in place. Yeah, passage area. So this is the main area. As I say, everything grown up. So as you can see, baseboard out. So you know, so when the painter come in now, them wall have a prime. So we just try to get out of them way for them to come in tomorrow. So when them come in, all of them wall have a prime, you know, so the painter go up on this side, you know. So we'll go up the next side to itself. Yeah. As you can see, my people, everything look nice and pretty. Yeah, the only thing is, after them paint up now, you know, get a good clean up. Yeah. But so far, you know, grow out and clean up. We you know, say it gonna mess up. By tomorrow it mess up again. Once everybody come in and start work again, you know how we go. Yeah, so yeah, looking good. You know, the wall them just want some color on it now. We just bring up the tile. Yeah. It's a nice grey tile porcelain, 24 by 24. Yeah. So as I say, my people, we grow up, clean up, you know. Yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. A reason with me, tell me how you think about the job them. Yeah. You know, try if you always do it best at all times. You know. Give it 110%. So yeah, that's why we stay relevant in the game at all times. You know, we always try to do it best. You know. So place nice and sweet, people, as you can see. Yeah, nice 24 by 24. As we say, we just have another kitchen and a 2-bedroom mainly. Yeah, so they're gonna peep at the ceiling and the light. Yeah, so them light in a diamond shape. Right on the passage. And sweet. So alright, my peeps, so the room them grown and growth up, you know. Yes, as you can see. Yeah, so 2 room with a white tile. In the bathroom. Yeah, so this wall I have a tile now. So just have it on the tile. As I see plumber doing thing with that one, yeah. So this now. Yeah, I'm gonna put in a drain in this yet still. So the drain left going in. Yeah, so as soon as I put in the drain, you know we can tile. Yeah, so as I said, the 2-bedroom them with white tile. So this is the closet area. Yeah, so this is the next bedroom. So the bedroom them white tile in the bedroom. So, as I say, so this is our next bathroom. to wait on the tile the bathroom them. That one have in the drain night. Yeah, so nice time on the floor. Yeah, that's for the next closet. So the class of the room going out. Yeah, so the process. Entrance to the next bedroom. Yeah, so yeah. So that's at the porch. So we just have like the bathroom them left with tile. Yeah, so everything has to finish. Just them 2 bathroom there. Yeah, in so now. Yeah, so in so now. White tile in so. Same 24 by 24. Yeah, so as you can see, the baseboard out. So just not this bathroom left. That one left. So after this, just a final tour of the place. Down the line. Sorry, I don't think it's a short but I've dropped in and done with. Yeah. I must say I'm going to clean them up here now. That is it. Yeah, so I want to remember to clean up the bathroom now. Get it growth up. Yeah. So, don't know about. Don't know. Bathroom nice and sweet. Yeah. Yeah, man, nice. Right there, bottom. So Sometimes when you have some little time left over, you create some sitting in a way.
I know that.
Better how you dying, do it. Yeah, so as I said, the show done, you know, so you know, yeah, we just have a line up with the sun routing. Out of the bathroom and call you a beer. So, my people, so right now start now the kitchen area. So, yeah. As you can see, we left out here, so. Yeah, so we catch on back on this here now. Line up, go down the line. So we are drop out the kitchen here now. Yeah, so this is the area where we are focused on right now. So we can get some work done. Must have to mix something set. Yeah, so you know, say yes, with the right here now. I go on. So as I say, I'll try to get the kitchen finished with. Yeah. Yeah, so right now, the 2-bedroom tile out. So we have nice good design to drop another door here. Yeah, so. Yeah, from them are working in the bathroom at the same time. So as I say, in a finish. Yeah. So the plumber them are working in the bathroom so we can get it. Yeah, as you can see them do them thing. Yeah, so this bedroom. So the 2-bedroom done. I will show you the next one. Yeah, so this is the next bedroom. So. So we're going to drop one like this, that there, that over here. Yeah, so as I say, plumber line up same time. Yeah, so I'm out and done with. Yeah, so this place just wants some growth on it right now. Drop some nice design at the doorway them in a different tile inside the bedroom, so you know I love people always creative. Yes. Don't mess with the right, you know. Get to the kitchen. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section, you don't know it go. Yeah, so as I say, we'll try to get out the kitchen here now. So, yeah, this is how we're there now.
Just down by cash rooms.
Say. So this is our next bathroom. Yeah, so just a wait for the tile the bathroom now. That one having the drain night. So entrance to the next bedroom. Yeah, so that's now we're all up on right. That's now this is the kitchen. So this is the last place we tile. Yeah. So this is another kitchen. I was going to say this is the last piece of tile. Yes, my people. So remember to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Yes, reason with me, tell me what you think about the job them. Yes, my people, so you know, this is basically it. You know. So yes. Yeah. So that's the porch. So, as you can see, just doing our final walkthrough. Yeah, so we just have like the bathroom them left with tile. finished. So alright people, so right now we're some grouting. Yeah, get this thing grout up. So I'm some most of the pan right now. Yeah, so draw some grout on it. Mosquito them pan. So everything grows up, so just have to grow up on the bathroom.
Great gorilla.
Gorilla got a party too.
I one of them the Palestinian nation.
Alright, so as soon as we wipe it off and thing, yeah, just give it a little time to kind of dry in, you know, before we wipe it off. So yes, my people, so we grow up here now. So, yeah, this is it. Nice and sweet. Yeah, so the last one dropping on the place. So on the passage, as you can see, going to the bedroom. You know, some work are going on and thing. Yeah, them place are done clean up and everything. But you know, like work are going otherwise. Yeah, so yeah, so this is from a different angle. So, you know, I tone it slowly. Yeah. So, when I see them look at thing and I like them, I can link me up. Yeah. Just checking on the bio. Yeah, you see all of the information, so. You know, if you have a kind of need anything you want to do in your tiling, yeah, get it done. Yeah, so this place almost finished up now. So most thing left now is just draw some paint and thing, but yeah, as I can see, for kind of dusty still because you know work are going in here. So, kitchen area. Yeah, the work still have one, so you know what the place done. Yeah, but we up and running. As I said, we're dropping this. Get it growed up. Yeah, so if you see this and you like it and you want something like this in your place, yeah, don't know it, but can't get it straight. Yeah, so as I say, up and running with people, so you know it go. Yeah, star nice. Yeah. So we do all of them like a pattern and thing. Yeah, anything you want in your house. You know, it's nice up your place. Yeah. You know if you find me. Yeah man, all of them like a thing if you want them in your house. You know? Yeah. So anything you want, any type of like a design you see and you like. What do I have to go like? Alright my people. So remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job them. Alright my people.